How to create Weverse Shop account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. If you're on iOS device, head over to Safari. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for Weverse Shop. Now head over to the very first site. It will land you on the official site of Weverse Shop. Click on this icon at the top right corner, and then tap on Sign Up. Now all you gotta do is, you have to sign up for your Weverse account. If you already have your account, then all you wanna do is enter your login credentials, or choose a specific account from which you want to log into your account. Tap on Continue. Wait for a while for it to load. And there you go, your Weverse Shop account has been created successfully. Now you can move into any of the product and then make a purchase of your choice. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.